In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build nice emails on ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through a simple, repeatable process you can use every time you want to design a polished professional email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what options to choose, and how to make your emails look clean and consistent with your brand. First, from your ActiveCampaign dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Email. This is where all your email-related tools live. From there, choose Campaign Templates. Templates are really helpful because they let you create a layout once and reuse it, instead of starting from scratch every single time. Inside the Campaign Templates area, click on Create a Template. That opens up the starting point for your new design. Next, you'll decide what kind of starting layout you want. ActiveCampaign gives you two main options here. You can use AI templates, which can generate a layout and content ideas for you based on a few prompts. Or you can pick from the designed templates that are already built. If you're new, choosing a design template is often easier because you can see a finished structure and just customize it with your own content, colors, and branding. Once you've picked a template, you'll be taken into the Email Designer. This is the editor where you visually build your email. On the right-hand side, look for the section called Blocks. This is where you'll find all the building pieces for your email. To customize your design, simply drag and drop elements like images, buttons, or RSS content into your layout. Images are great for logos, product shots, or banners. Buttons are perfect for clear calls to action like Shop Now or Book a Call. If you have a blog or news feed, the RSS content block can automatically pull in your latest posts, which saves you time and keeps your emails fresh. Before you finish, it's important to set your global styling so your email looks cohesive. In the sidebar, go to Global Settings. Here, you can set a consistent message width so your email doesn't look too wide or too narrow on different devices. Choose a font family that's easy to read and matches your brand style, and set a background color that fits your overall look. These global settings help every block in your email feel like it belongs together. When you're happy with the design and settings, click Next, review everything one more time, and then click Finish. Your template is now ready to be used in future campaigns, giving you a solid, professional starting point every time you send an email with ActiveCampaign.